Catch the beat, marching, feet nice and light. So we're going to march forward and backwards on this one. So if you're in a very small space, you might need to turn sideways. I'm going to so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me. If you need to. Marching forward. So whatever space you've got, I do a slight diagonal, that works for me. You need to be able to see me, but you also need the space to be able to move as far as is comfortable for you. So if you can come a long way, that's good for you. Make it bigger if you want. Or make it small. That's fine too. Your body, your workout. You do what feels right for you. So those that want it, we're going to make it a little bit harder. We're going to lift the knee at the front and back. Arms too if you want. So you can add the arms if it works for you. If that confuses you, just stay with the marching forward and back. I'm going to come forward to you. I'll come off camera slightly. Always feels rude to have my back to you or to be side on. And I have room here. I just come off camera. Last time forward like this, last time back, just march it forward and tap. Push the arms forward this time. I'm going to turn sideways again so you can see what I'm doing. Don't have to do the arms if that's hurting your shoulders. Try and keep them relaxed. We're going to change it a little bit next time. March, 2, 3, tap side. I'm keeping it quite small here, or you're not going to see what I'm doing. But make it as small or as big as you want. Ouch. That was a skirting board. Workouts are designed to be done in a small space, and I have a very small space here. Just go with the tap, arms in front. I'm going to move so you can see what I'm doing. You can change your directions if you want, makes it a bit more interesting. If you want to change to a corner, I'll leave that up to you. So working your shoulders quite hard. So drop them and swing them if that feels better. You don't have to change direction. Leave that up to you. Depends what space you've got. Just shake those arms out. Move forward and back. Forward, roll back. Forward. Loosening through the arms. Trying to let those arms really hang heavily as you do this. Just releasing the shoulders. Let's march on the spot. Side step. Right and left. Make sure you've got enough space to your right because we're going to do double side steps in a moment. Just swing those arms gently. 2 steps with an arm. Make it as big or small as you need to. So, if you're really struggling, if it hurts your ankles, or you're really unfit, keep the arms out, keep small steps even, if you want to make it bigger. Not afraid. Sing along if you know the music. If you've done these with me for a little while, you'll start to get to know some of the tracks I know. Back to single side steps. So you can slap your thighs if you like. I'm not going to because it sounds really loud on the film, I've learned. Ready for 2 steps to the right with an arm, push, push. Try and keep those hands about shoulder height if you can, but if that doesn't work for you, do what feels right, steps as big or small. You should be slightly out of breath for this, so if you're totally breathless, you need to take it down. If you're breathing easily and you're finding it too hard, add a bit more. Hold it singles here. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2. So slightly angling forward, take it back. If you haven't got the room to do that, then fine, just keep it on the spot. 2 steps and back. Well done. Hold it here, single step, side arms. Relax those shoulders. Coming forward for 4, 3, 2, and back. And again, forward. And back. Hold it here. Bring that toe in. Ready for 2 steps. Well done. Last time, back to single step, side arms. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back. And again. Again, make that as big or as small as is right for you, or as to go with the space you've got. 2 steps. Well done.